Cut down everything. All the weeds, trimmed up that tree. And like I said, they put up here no parking anytime. Violators will be towed by order of Chief of Police, East Chicago Police, 219-660-0000. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to I'm about to say Pick and Pull. Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host, Easy E. And as you can see from the thumbnail, we're just buttoning up the Equinox, and there's a lot going on around this house. So let's jump into it. Here's the Equinox. Just getting the seats put in all by myself. I do have these. I was trying to stretch this carpet over on this side, pull it back to where it's supposed to go, just like that one. But I don't think that's gonna work. That one gotta be repaired. I got the back seat in by myself with no help, because my stepson is in the shower. I do gotta clean these door jambs up on this side so they look as clean as the other side. But let's walk down this driveway right here, because right now I'm kind of stuck. In my own driveway. Because the city is working on sidewalks. So I probably could squeeze out that way, but we're not even going to attempt it. I'm just going to wait for the concrete to cure. Then I'll be able to get out my driveway and move on to other stuff, because these trucks don't supposed to, well, this truck don't supposed to be in the driveway. This truck don't supposed to be in the driveway. And y'all know that white one is my brother from the other mother's Yukon 2008 Chevy Yukon he picked up. Tahoe. I keep saying Yukon, they all the same. Tahoe he picked up. They don't supposed to be my driveway. He gonna be moving that to where I work at, to where we work at, because we do work full-time jobs over here. So I'm gonna get that moved as soon as the concrete cure, because obviously it can't sit in my driveway, because I can't make videos for y'all if I got a truck I gotta keep moving out my driveway. I haven't won any cars from the auction lately. They've been going too high, or I'm just not bidding enough. I'm being cheap, as usual. Trying to get these cars for like $400, $375, and it ain't going for it. Plus, by the time y'all see this video, I'll probably be back from Vegas. So let's go. Let me see. So let's go check out the other update. So let's walk on over here. They're down there taking lunch. But you can see, I get on over there, because as y'all know, I was inquiring about this lot next to my house. All these freaking bugs back in the alley. Yeah, but I was inquiring about this lot by my house, and I inquired one more time, and I must have hit bugs. I must have hit a nerve with the city of East Chicago, because the very next day, as soon as they read the email, it was on the high priority list, and they was out here to clean this side lot up and put up no parking signs, and email me saying this wasn't a buyable lot, it's a buildable lot. So I don't know how you're supposed to buy it and build on it if they're not selling it. But I told the city I'll just wait then. I got time to wait. I own this house. Maybe they're selling in 5 more years. But I don't know what they're going to build right here in between. You got to be a small house, you know what I'm saying? But here we go. They came up over here and cut down everything. All the weeds, trimmed up that tree. And like I said, they put up here no parking anytime. Violators will be towed by order of Chief of Police, East Chicago Police, 219-660-0000. But yup, they came over here, made everybody move their cars, and they cleaned this lot up. So since I can't purchase this lot, I'm going to do the next best thing. We about to put up a privacy fence. Get rid of this old fence that's zigzagging, get measurements. Probably have to cut that stump down right there because it's in the middle of the fence line. Wish I could go out a little bit further because I don't even know where my property lines stop at, because that is part of my yard right there, or it was part of the yard till they put a fence right here and blocked it off. Might as well pull up all that concrete down there. It's not no good. It's been coming up ever since I bought this house. So I get measurements. We put up I think an 8-foot or 6-foot privacy fence. This is 8 foot. Along this side of the house. And probably along the back side of this backside right here. But we have to get down in there. So we're gonna be working on that. And once that's done, we're gonna come on this side and work on getting this fence removed. Like chop into the tree at angles. But yeah, get this part of the fence moved, and do the same thing on this side, even though y'all know we'd be over there. So we have to come up with some type of a design when we get to right here, to where we can still get into this yard, so I can still maintain it and cut the grass, because that is my number one hater's house. But the fence gonna have to come up here, probably a little doorway, then come up here and have a gate go all the way across the front, so my nagging wife can get a dog. So we need a fence. To contain the dog. So with all that, let me jump back into getting this car button up so I can go do other stuff. Because like I said, right now there's nothing I can do. So I'm stuck. Usually when I finish this car, I'm just going to take her to work, park her, then they just screwed me all up. The city screwed me all up, because I'm just stuck. I can't really get nothing done because I don't got the space back here to do it. Now when I got a driveway full of cars. Because I do need to start getting them motor and transmission put out the red car, the red Pontiac Torrent. So I get that ready to go on the black Pontiac Torrent, and I can get the red Pontiac Torrent out my backyard by cutting it up into little bitty pieces, keeping what parts I can use and just cutting the rest of it up and scrapping it. But I'm saying the black Equinox turned out great. All I did was do it the same way they did it. There they had painted the grill black, but enough jibber jabbering in this video. Let me jump on and just getting this seat put back in.
There was promise once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look.
Well, still gotta get the Copart direct and the no non-runner and mileage off the window. I don't know if that's even mileage. Mileage was, what was the mileage? I don't even remember. That was 99,000 miles, but 94,000 mile motor in this car. But there we go. I'm gonna use the carpet cleaner and clean the seats later. But I got the door jambs cleaned all up. Because like some puke was right there. There was puke on the old carpet that was in there. I do have some floor mats that came out the other car. And all these freaking bugs. Should have cleaned that too. Maybe I grab that real quick before I leave. And that. But let's go over here. Like I said, they out there working. So I can't really work. So down there laying down that sidewalk. Doing a pretty good job getting it done. Like I said, this poor old girl right here. Like I said, this got a salvage title. She wasn't getting rebuilt. Still got to get the last door card off, get these Pioneer speakers out. I said she's still holding water. She's going to really still be holding water now. We swapped steering wheels out with this car. This car is a mess. Because this car is getting this motor. And she's done. If she sells, she sells. If she don't, she don't. I don't really care. Because I'm not jonesing for no money. I got plenty of money. Even without no YouTube revenue. I go to work every day. That's all I need. So I guess that's going to be a wrap on this Equinox build. Y'all think y'all heard her run. She run. That front end looks great. I can't believe it. GoPro about to go dead. Oh, blacked out like that. But y'all know that wasn't me. It was already blacked out when I first got it. I just made it a little bit better. Repainting the grill. Clearing the grill. With all that said, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers on your social media. It'd be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. Go copy some merch not like this from teespring.com, aka spring.com now. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. And I'm always on the lookout for some other bills other than Copart or IAA that's a little bit closer to town that might need a little bit of work, because you know I get down on those car donations. The last couple I had, GoPro were dead. And go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And with all that said, people, stay tuned and stay blessed. Deuces!